Hi everyone, I'm sorry I have to talk loud because my husband is working on music here. This is macaroni bechamel. This is Egyptian macaroni bechamel. This is from my mom's recipe, and I decided to show it to you guys. I made the bolognese sauce like the usual bolognese, ground beef with tomato sauce, fresh tomatoes chopped, all the spices, the herbs I like or you like, and just put it for me, my idea, I put it like 2 hours on the stove for all the flavors get mixed together. The beef with the tomato sauce will be great. And then I made the penny. Penny is the traditional Egyptian macaroni bechamel. It's, you have to use the penny pasta, and then after that I mix together both together. I don't make layers, or my mom doesn't make layers, which I didn't know that before. She told me this is the way I do it, and I am following. I will arrange it like that. And here is the bechamel. My mom told me you have to make it a little bit thinner for the pasta to soak in it. She told me the secret part, which is 1 egg, beaten egg, nutmeg grated, and white pepper and salt, like that. It's thin, so it will soak now with the pasta. I hope my husband will love it. And then you put the cheese, jack, cheddar, something, not Parmesan, not Gruyere. Try to soak, give space for the sauce will go in the bottom. I always buy pieces and I grate the cheese and save it in the freezer, and I put the name. This is Monterey Jack cheese. I guess I will put all of it there. The butter, not that much, a little bit. It will help the top of the pan to be brownish, and melt the cheese together will be great. And I'll show it to you after I finish it. Bye for now.